I'ma get no be so. Girl, you want capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make you want umbo. Better, I'm loose.
Hey guys, how y'all guys doing today? I'm just gonna do a little unboxing because it's gonna be a hair review of some hair I got today. So I want to show you guys how I install this wig and what I think about this wig. And if y'all hear some noise, I got my dishwasher going, so excuse me for that. But this hair is from Beauty Forever. So y'all saw me just open up the box, so I'm gonna set it over here and I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what we got. First things first, bag of goodies. And we've got some wig caps. Oh, this looks like translucent. I think these look like translucent. A head wrap, a cheetah print, some eyelashes, as well as a brush. And then we do got the hair. And I did get these in, this is a Jerry curl, supposed to be 16 inch, 16 inch, ready to go. That means I shouldn't cut the lace or anything. Sorry, I put that over there. I'm going to go ahead and wash the hair, but this is supposed to be the hair in the natural state. So this is the hair, and I am going to, so far so it is cute, 16 inches. I'm going to go, and it's like got a mesh cap on it, so it's breathable around that. So let me show y'all the inside. The inside of it is, like I say, around the edges, it's got cones and it's good. And it got a little rubber in the back, and then you have the little mesh. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try to install this today, actually, if I can. I'm going to wash this and we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Do what it do, baby.
I know I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I believe for me. Time is up to guess. I try to need you. But I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind. And I'm eating to get free of my mind. same way. Out till the morning, mind won't put down from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh.
Alright, y'all. This is the hair. It is about 90% dry. Gotta like fluff the roots a little bit. It's still a little wet in the roots up here. But y'all saw me, I was scared because it looked like a wet dog on my head. But now, kind of like, it's supposed to be 180 density. I just did the flip over method. But this is the hair, 16 inches. I'm trying to see, because I may need to go in. I'm trying to see, y'all. Do I need to go in and get some, like, clip the ends a little bit and shape, give it a little bit more shape? I don't know, though. But it's light, and I love it, because for curly hair, like, you know, to me, curly hair, it is, like, summer hair, like, vacation hair, but, like, to me, be heavy sometimes and get hot, but this doesn't feel like it get like that. So, I do like it. I do like it. I can do a middle part. Okay, so it's from here to here. This is like really glueless. Like you just put it on. I got the combs in. Very, like the mesh at the top is good. Like I can feel or scratch my head. I feel like I can sleep in it. Like I said, I didn't bleach the knots. I put the little foundation. It blends well. Blends well. You can see a little bit up there, but that's stuff. Yeah. But yeah, love the hair. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is the hair, which I love, love, love. All fluffed out, big and regular. So when I first put on the wig, it was kind of scary because it was like thin. But this hair cap is breathable. This cap is great. It have no adjustable strap. It just have the little headband in it. And it's really on my head. And as far as the closure, no baby, I didn't get no swoop or nothing. And it looks natural. It really looks natural. I love this hair. It's definitely a get up and go, girl. It's not too thick, even though it's curly. It's like, it's lightweight, like a half wig or synthetic wig like you get from a beauty supply store. So it's real lightweight. I love the curls. I don't have to cut it or anything because I thought I would have to, but you just got to play with it and make it a little bit bigger. But this is what it is. So I just wanted to come and show you guys what the final results are after the final results. So yeah, get up and go. And it's 16 inches. So
only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even deep as we used to be. This shit slick divided. Bro, ain't got no